Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. In our previous class, we started our lesson. What is our lesson name? The Mystery Island. Already we started the lesson of Mystery Island. Okay? Where we stopped? Where we stopped? They went to a castle. They went to a castle. The three of the kids went to a castle, and when they enter into the castle, they they were tied, and they went to a deep sleep. Okay, they went to a deep sleep. మంచి నిద్రలో జారుకుంటారు అవునా. They slept for some time. The three of kids slept for some time. కొద్దిసేపు పడుకుంటారు. And what happened? Next we will see. On waking up, they found their robot lying with them. They were surprised to see it there. It reminded them of their teacher. Rami was worried about the teacher, but they couldn't figure out where he was. The tribals must have kept him with them. We must go and rescue him at once, said Noni. Now, when they woke up, there was a robot. There was a robot nearby the kids. They found a robot near them. వాళ్ళకు robot కనబడుతుంది. When they see the robot, they thought of the teacher, because that's a robot. Robot belongs to the teacher. Okay? So when they see the robot, soon after they recognized their teacher. Where is our teacher? What happened to him? Like they are having the doubts. Okay? They cried and they shouted for the teacher. If he was near to them. వాళ్ళ దగ్గరగా వాళ్ళ టీచర్ ఉన్నాడేమో అని గట్టిగా అరుస్తారు. But he was no more to see. No figure. Means anything also not found near to them. వాళ్ళ దగ్గరలో ఏది కనిపించదు. Okay, not seen anything near to them. And they thought that I think the tribals are giving trouble to our teacher. That's what we have to rescue him. What they are thinking? I think so. The tribals separated the kids and also teacher, no? Tribals ఏం చేస్తారు? కిడ్స్ని టీచర్ని సపరేట్ చేశారు కదా. The kids are thinking about teacher. I think so. The tribals are giving trouble. ఆ tribals మన టీచర్కి ట్రబుల్ ఇస్తున్నారు కావచ్చు. They thought that the tribals are giving trouble to the teacher. That's what we have to rescue him. Rescue means save. What's the meaning of rescue? Risk means danger. Rescue means save. So we should find our teacher soon, and we have to rescue him. Means we have to save him. తొందరగా మన టీచర్ని కనిపెట్టేసి అతన్ని సేవ్ చేయాలనుకుంటారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ వి విల్ సీ. Suddenly a scary monster appeared out of nowhere. Now here it was huge and had a shiny dress and was waving swords. The monster struck the door with his mighty swords and promptly tore it down. This only added to their misery. There was nowhere they could run now. The monster was about to catch Ronnie. Sam grabbed a sword hanging on the wall. He hit the monsters again and again till he withdrew crying. Nani thanked him and appreciated his valor. Valor means courage. Okay. Next, while they were thinking about the teacher, after some time, one of the scary monster. Scary means scare. What's the meaning of scare? Fear, frightened. Okay, dangerous. After sometimes there one of the scary monster was appeared in front of them, and the monster is huge. Huge means very big. The monster is very big and having the long swords in his two hands. Okay, the monster is having two swords in his two hands. Okay, he is mighty, means very strengthened. Chala balanga unnadu. And he broke the door. He hit the door. The monster hit the door. When the monster hit the door mightily means strengthened, strongly. ఎలా హిట్ చేశాడు? స్ట్రాంగ్ గట్టిగా హిట్ చేశాడు. When the monster hit the door mightily, the door broken into two pieces. Door రెండు ముక్కలైపోయింది. Okay, and he entered into the room. The monster entered into the room. Whenever monster enter into the room, all are frightened and fear. They try to escape from him. When the monster entered into the room, all the kids, three of the kids, try to escape, try to run away from that place. ఆ ప్లేస్ నుండి పరిగెత్తడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. But the monster tried to catch Nani. Girl name is Nani, no? Okay. Whenever they are trying to run away, the monster came and tried to catch Nani. Nani tried to catch it and try చేశాడు. Soon after, who's Sham? Sham has taken a sword. Whenever the monster is coming to catch Nani, monster వచ్చి ఎప్పుడైతే నానిని క్యాచ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాడో చేసేటప్పుడు ఆమె ఏం చేస్తుందిరా? షీ ఈస్ క్రైయింగ్. ద గర్ల్ ఈస్ క్రైయింగ్. సూన్ ఆఫ్టర్ హర్ ఫ్రెండ్ శామ్ ఏం చేస్తాడు? గ్రాబుల్డ్ ఏ స్వాడ్. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్వాడ్ ఈస్ హ్యాంగింగ్ టు ద వాల్. ఇంకొక స్వాడ్ అక్కడ హ్యాంగ్ అవుతుంటుంది. దీనికి? వాల్కి. సూన్ ఆఫ్టర్ శామ్ గ్రాబుల్డ్ మీన్స్ లాక్కోవడం. Soon after, Sam grabbed the sword and tried to fight with the monster. Understand? To save Nani. Naniని సేవ్ చేయడానికి శ్యామ్ వచ్చేసాడు. వచ్చి ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? అక్కడ ఉన్న స్వాడ్ని తీసుకొని ఫైట్ చేస్తున్నాడు మోన్స్టర్తో. ఓకే, he fought with the monster and winner. The monster was defeated by the Sam. Sam ఏం చేసిండు? ఆ మోన్స్టర్ని ఓడించేసిండు. When Sam defeated the monster, all his friends, ఇంకా remaining friends are there, no? Two of his friends appreciated. Yes, you are a brave boy because you fought with the monster, no? మోన్స్టర్తో ఫైట్ చేసి నువ్వేం చేసావు? గెలిచావు. దట్స్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ ఏ బ్రేవ్ బాయ్. లైక్ దట్ దే అప్రిషియేటెడ్ Sam. Nani and also Rami appreciated Sam. Okay. Next what happened, you will see. The young travelers continues their search for the watercraft. They were walking through a thick jungle of strange plants. The robot kept scanning the plants as they walked. Look at these pretty flowers, screamed Nani in great delight and started picking them. Dangerous for humans, warned the robot. Throw them away, said the voice. But Nani liked them, so she kept a flower with her. After a while of fruitless searching, the kids found themselves back at the castle door. They were completely tired. Next, they escaped from the monster. Okay, now so no need to stay here. అక్కడే ఆ రూమ్లో ఉండడం బాగుంటుందని ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్. While they were the young travelers traveling means while they were walking, they has to pass some of the jungles, means one of the golden thing, a jungle la untundi, forest. Okay, they are walking through the forest లో నుండి నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నారు. And also robot also coming along with them. Robot is there, no? Robot also following them. వాళ్ళని ఫాలో చేస్తుంది. And it is scanning. The robot is scanning the plants in the forest. It is scanning also. It is taking a photograph. Robot is taking a photograph, and the children are walking through the forest. While they are walking through the forest, Nani saw a flower which is so smelly and so beautiful. Nani is a girl. Amma, Nani is a girl. Nani saw a beautiful flower which is giving good smell. స్మెల్ వచ్చే ఫ్లవర్ దానికి కనబడుతుంది, తమకు కనబడుతుంది. దెన్ షీ plucked it and she said to her friends, oh, see this flower, how it is so beautiful and so smelly. See this flower, she is showing the flower to her friends, and her friends చూపెడుతుంది. See this flower, how it is so cute, so beautiful, చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. She is saying like that. While she is saying like that, robot is saying, no, don't touch that flower. Robot ఏమంటుందంటే, don't touch that flower, it's dangerous to the humans. Whenever Nani is showing the flower to her friends, soon after robot is warning Nani. ఏమని వార్న్ చేస్తుంది, don't touch the flower, it's too dangerous to the humans. The humans are danger, so you should not touch that. Okay, robot said like that. The boys also said, hey Nani, don't touch it, leave it. The friends also warned Nani, but Nani won't listen those words. Nani vinadu. ఏం చేసింది నాని వినకుండా? She plucked the flower and she kept with her. వినకుండా ఏం చేసింది? ప్లక్ చేసింది, తన దగ్గర పెట్టేసుకుంది. And now they are going. It is a fruitless traveling, means fruitless. No use. Fruitless means no use of traveling. Their ship is at the sea. వాళ్ళ వాటర్ క్రాఫ్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? వాళ్ళ వాటర్ క్రాఫ్ట్ కోసం వెతుకుతున్నారు. వాళ్ళ వాటర్ క్రాఫ్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉందిరా? at the sea. But they are walking in the castle only. అది క్యాస్టిల్ ఉంది కదా, బిల్డింగ్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ బిల్డింగ్లోనే ఇంకా తిరుగుతున్నారు వాళ్ళు. So that's what it is fruitless. Fruitless means no use of searching for watercraft. Here, castle వెతికితే దొరుకుతుందా watercraft? That's what it is, a fruitless traveling, searching. After some time, again they were tired and they saw the ending of the castle. End door, back door. They entered into the front door, no? Front door నుండి ఎంటర్ అయిపోయారు. Now after a walk, after a while of walk, they saw back door. Back door కనబడుతుంది. The back end door, the back door of the castle. They came out from the back door and they were tied also. Next, what happened is they hardly sat down when they heard a scream. Help! It was Nani shouting in fear. A giant spider was spreading its claws over the girl. The boys rushed for their swords, but it was too late. The spider was just about to seize the girl. Okay, after some time, what happened? They hardly sat down when they heard a scream, help. Actually, Nani plucked the flower now and coming. When they are walking on the road, they were tired. That's what they wanted to sit. They hardly sat down. Okay? Rami and also Sham sat down. But Nani stood up like that only. Whenever she stood up, one of the monster spider is coming to catch her. One of the spider, biggest spider, monster, giant spider. It is very large. And the spider is coming towards Nani to catch her. Understand? A spider. What is spider? Normal spider not. That is a giant spider. Giant means monster. But the monster spider is coming to catch Nani. Whenever the spider is coming, soon after that, Nani screamed. Screamed means cried. A spider ఎప్పుడైతే దాన్ని క్యాచ్ చేయడానికి వస్తుందో అప్పుడు నాని ఏం చేస్తుంది గట్టిగా అరుస్తుంది. The boys did not sit down. Again, they have taken the swords and they are coming. Okay, the boys has taken the swords and coming to kill the monster spider. But no use. Already the spider completely covered Nani. The completely Nani cover చేసేసింది. Okay, what happened next you will see. Just then a man dressed widely popped out of now here. He threw away the dress and to their wonder it was the teacher. He fired at the spider with the laser gun in his hand. The kids rushed to their teacher. Are you all right? Asked the teacher. The kids nodded their heads. Actually, the girls wants to kill the spider with their swords. But already the spider covered Nani. So what they have to do, they did not understand. Soon after, one of the strange dressed man came there. One of the strange dressed man. ఒక రకమైన డ్రెస్ వేసుకున్న మ్యాన్ వచ్చేస్తాడు. And the strange dressed man came there and he threw his dress aside. He opened his dress and threw aside. A dress open చేసి పక్కన పడేస్తాడు. Then who is that man? The man is the teacher. The new dressed man. Widely dressed means variety dressed man. Strange dressed man is their teacher. He is having a gun also. Whenever he reached there, soon after he shoot the monster spider. He threw his dress aside and he has taken his gun and shoot the spider. The spider was born and died. Okay, next. Then the teacher asked the children, are you all right? Are you okay? Are you fine? The teacher asked them. The children said, They nodded their heads. They did not know words. They nodded. Nodded means I'm okay. Like that they nodded their heads. What happened next we will see. He then explained that the mission involved a test to see how they would face a trying situation. We created the old situation for you. We landed you on a strange island and I sort of disappeared. In fact, I was always there watching over you through the camera in the robot and ready to come to the rescue. You have been very brave and intelligent, except for Nani's mistake with the flower. The flower could have landed you all in terrible trouble. You see, the huge spider was attracted to its smell and not to Nani, said their teacher, winking. You also need to learn to be independent so as to tackle any situation. I appreciated your bravery, said the teacher and patted all of them. Actually, did you understand? What is that? When the teacher came there, he is saying, this is a test. This is a test for you. This has not happened really. The teacher kept a test to the students. Are they brave or not? Understand? Actually, ఇదంతా మోన్స్టర్ రావడము లేదంటే స్కేరీ మాన్స్టర్ రావడం ఇదంతా ఇట్స్ టోటలీ క్రాష్. It is tested. The whole thing, what happened to all the situations, what happened to them, that is tested by the teacher. And also he himself disappeared. The teacher is saying that I myself disappeared. The tribals did not take me to one place. I myself disappeared. నేనుగా disappeared అయిపోయాను. Because I want to test you. These are all the situations are done by me. ఇవన్నీ those all situations are created by me. ఇవన్నీ నేను క్రియేట్ చేశాను. The castle also created by me. And also this is my plan. I only make you to come to this strange island. Understand me? The teacher is saying, I am only make you to land this strange island. ఈ strange island రావడానికి కూడా రీజన్ ఎవరు? I make you to come here. ఈ strange island వచ్చేటట్లు చేసింది నేను. ఇవన్నీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కూడా నేనే క్రియేట్ చేశాను. నేను డిసప్పియర్ అయిపోవడం కూడా it is also done by myself. No tribals. The tribals did not do anything. And also I am watching you everywhere. I am watching you everywhere. ప్రతి చోట మిమ్మల్ని వాచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. How I am watching you? I kept a camera in the robot. Understand me? ఏం చేశారు టీచర్? Teachers kept a camera in the robot. Okay. Then by following the camera, he is following the kids. ఆ కెమెరా ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుందో చూసుకుంటూ వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని ఫాలో చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే. If we have any problem, I want to rescue from that. That's what I am following you. Actually, here also one of the monster spider came to catch the Nani, but that is also mistake of Nani only, because Nani plucked the flower. That flower is giving a smell. That smell was attracted by the spider. The spider attracted the flower's smell. The spider is not coming to kill Nani. Nani చంపడానికో లేకుంటే హర్ట్ చేయడానికి రావట్లేదు. Why the spider is coming? The smell. The flower smell is attracting the spider. That's what the spider came here. And the spider attacked Nani. If Nani won't pluck the flower, the spider won't attack. Understand me? Actually అక్కడ నాని ఆ ఫ్లవర్ని ప్లక్ చేయకుండా తన తలలో పెట్టుకోకుండా ఉంటే స్పైడర్ అటాక్ చేసేది కాదు. స్పైడర్ ఈజ్ అటాకింగ్ ఫర్ ద స్మెల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లవర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద నాని's mistake. And also you all are brave. Nani, except Nani, you both are brave. And Nani, you must be independent. Don't depend on others. Whenever Nani is in trouble, soon after her friends are helping. Nani trouble lo unnappudu evaru chestunaru help? Sam help chesadu okkasari, ippudu sir vachesi help chesadu. Okay, that's what the teacher is warning to Nani. Be independent. Don't get into trouble and don't depend on others. So be independent. And you are all are brave. And he patted everyone, patted him. You are great. Like that, he patted every kid. Okay, that is the Brave Courage Kids story. Okay, today our lesson is completed. Bye.